Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze TCS Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year-on-year results. That means we will compare June 30, 2020 results with June 30, 2021 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 38,322 crores. This year 45,411 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 18.5 percentage year on year increase. This is very good sign. Later other income. Previous year 598 crores. This year 721 crores. Here 120 crores other income was increased. Total income is previous year 38,920 crores. This year 46,132 crores. We'll check the expenses. Here employee benefit expenses. Previous year 22,093 crores. This year 25,659 crores. Here 3,400 crores was increased. This is high. Later fees to external consultants. Previous year 3,063 crores. This year 3,009 crores. Here 800 crores was increased. Later cost of equipment. Previous year 346 crores. This year 258 crores. Here 100 crores was decreased. Later depreciation. Previous year 976 crores. This year 1075 crores. We'll ignore this amount. Later other expenses. Previous year 2796 crores. This year 2941 crores. What we understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Revenue from operations increased from 38,322 crores to 45,411 crores. So here approximately 18% increase. This is positive side. If you see expenses, here employee benefit expenses was increased 3,400 crores, and also fees to external consultants also increased 900. Now let's see profit before tax. Previous year 9,504 crores. This year 12,163 crores. Here approximately 1,600 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit before tax increased 28%. This is very good sign. Later total tax expense. Previous year 2,455 crores. This year 3,132 crores. Later profit for the period. Previous year 7,049 crores. This year 9,031 crores. Here approximately 2,000 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Profit after tax was increased 28%. This is very good figure. This is positive side. Now we'll see quarter on quarter. That means we'll compare March quarter results with June quarter results. Revenue was increased 3.9%. Profit before tax was decreased 2.9%. Profit after tax was decreased 2.7%. Here TCS quarter on quarter results are flat, but year on year results are very good. This is positive sign. Now we'll see earning per share. Previous year 18.6 rupees. This year 24.3. Here profits was increased 28%. And also December 20 TCS was did buyback shares. Due to that one also quantity of shares was decreased. So due to good results and buyback shares, so here earning per share were increased from 18.68 rupees to 24.35 rupees. This is good sign. Later dividend. Previous year they gave 5 rupees. This year 7 rupees. Here 2 rupees was increased. This is good sign. Now check segment results. Here segment revenue. Banking, financial services and insurance. Previous year 15,282 crores. This year 18,151 crores. Here BFSI is increased. This is positive sign. Manufacturing increased from 3,884 crores to 4,399 crores. This is positive sign. Retail and consumer business increased from 5,912 crores to 7,171 crores. This is positive sign. Communication, media and technology increased from 6,495 crores to 7,412 crores. This is positive sign. Life sciences and healthcare increased from 3,912 crores to 4,899 crores. This is positive sign. Others increased from 2,837 crores to 3,379 crores. Here all segments are increased. This is positive sign. Now check segment results. Here BFSI increased from 4,115 to 4,892 crores. This is positive sign. Later manufacturing increased from 986 crores to 1336 crores. This is positive sign. Later retail and consumer business increased from 1300 crores to 2093 crores. This is positive sign. Communication media technology increased from 1886 crores to 2247 crores. This is positive sign. Life sciences and healthcare increased from 217 crores to 1536 crores. This is positive sign. If you see this one, revenues and results are increased in each sector. This is positive sign. Now we'll compare June results with previous results and prices. For that one, I am opening Registrar.in. Here in June quarter, profits was increased 28%. In March quarter, 14.6%. December quarter, 7.17%. September quarter, here 6.8% decreased. If you observe this one, September decreased, December 7%, March 14%, June 28%. Here in each quarter, profits is increased. This is positive sign. We'll see the prices in 1 year. Here 1 year prices. Since July 2020, price is 2,217. Current price is 3,257. Here approximately 1,000 rupees was increased. This is positive side. We'll check prices with previous results. December quarter results announced on January 8. We'll check the price. Here is January 8. January 8 price is 3,120, and after results price was increased from 3,120 to 3,300. We'll see the results. Here December results increased 7%. Later March results. March results announced on April 12th. Price on April 12th. Here April 12th results announced. At the time price is 3,241. After results price was decreased to 3,100 and then 3,038 rupees. So after results price was decreased. We check the results. In March quarter profit after tax is 14.6%, but here price was decreased. Now currently in June quarter profit after tax is 28%. That means results are very good. In March quarter results are good, but price was decreased. In June quarter results are very good. I am expecting 10 to 15% price will be increased in this quarter. Now check the valuation. Here PE before results is 37.5. PE after results is 35.2. Here 2 points was decreased. This is positive sign. So pros are good year on year results, zero debt, neutral value based on previous year PE. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.